Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can remove your Temu app from your phone. So let's get right into it. Now, removing your app is as simple as removing any other app from your phone. And to do that, we're going to go over into our device settings. Once we're here, we're going to scroll down until we get to our app section. This is mainly centered around Android operating systems. Most of them operate very similarly. However, your operating system might function differently if it's on iOS or another system. So yeah, just locate your apps, and then once you're there, click on apps again, and then scroll down until you find Temu. So it'll be right under T if your apps are alphabetically sorted. So there we go, just find the Temu app. And as you can see, you have the option to uninstall the app. Now, I won't be uninstalling this since I do need the app for several different things. However, you just click on install and that should be it. If you just wish to reset it, what you can do is you can go into storage and then you can click on clear data, and that's going to clear all the data of the app that's been recorded on your device, and then you can go ahead and use it as if you just installed it. And that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.